You can see it gives you a little countdown there. It's 13%, should be going up to 100%. Yep. Go.
Yes, YouTube, what's going on? So welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be servicing the Mini Cooper S. It is going to be my daily car, so it's very important that obviously running as it should be. I mean, not to say that if it wasn't my daily car that I wouldn't service it, so you should service your cars in it. Obviously I'm sure everybody knows this, but you know what I'm saying, it could be that small minority of people that don't. But as I said, yeah, it will be my daily, so I've got to make sure the car's running as it should be. So right now I'm going to take a trip down to my good mates, Sham and Nalis. They're going to carry out the service on the Cooper S. And in the coming weeks, they're going to do some more work on the Cooper S as well. So you're going to see a lot more of these two. Also people, after the service, the modification process begins. So I know what I want to do in terms of what to do first. But I'm going to leave it up to you lot to decide what you guys want to see first. Whether it will be performance modifications or visual modifications, all you got to do is just comment below and then we'll take it from there. But for now, stay tuned and see how we get on. Alright people, so Sham has hooked up the car to the computer. He's going to reset
the service light.
Reset the service light.
As you can see, it gives you a little countdown there. It's 13%, should be going up to 100%.
Yep.
So, ignition off. Boom. Wait for the countdown. Drink a cup of tea, smoke a fag. Get me?
Have a little tea break. Yeah.
Tea break.
So and then this, so what you're doing now is just taking off the service light, or is just scanning the car, or?
That's resetting the service light. I'll do a fault code read after I reset the service light.
Okay.
As you can see, it's gone to 100%. Okay. Function complete.
Just like that.
Just like that. So I'm going to do next, I'm going to do a fault code read inside the engine control unit. Just to check if there's any fault codes in the system. Select the Uber, go to engine. Petrol, and it's a 1.6. Okay button.
So Sham, this software, what cars is this capable
To be
compatible
honest,
with?
this is on most vehicles.
Most vehicles.
Yeah, almost, 99% of the vehicles. The Delphi software, you can always buy the software online, upload it up to your computer.
And how much are you looking for that software?
Software itself, you're probably looking about a good, depends, about 60 to 70 pounds. It also comes with the interference.
So this software, how user friendly is it? So can anybody
It's
come?
very easy, very easy. Once you understand how to use a computer,
It's straightforward.
nothing complicated about it. It's very straightforward. Obviously, with certain basic setting, you have to be careful. You don't want to be going too much in depth, you cause problems.
Yeah.
So there you go now. This is what we're looking into. So these are previous fault code from where I've disconnected the header. So what am I going to do? I'm going to clear these fault codes. No fault code at the system. Let me see if there's any basic setting. Oh, these are for the window.
Alright people, so there you have it, the Mini Cooper S service complete. Big up Sham, big up Nadis for carrying out the service. So, like I said at the beginning of the video, it's up to you guys to decide what you guys want to see next, because literally the service is done now, so the next step now is to start the modifications. So remember to comment below on what you guys want to see next. Visual mods or performance mods first, let me know in it, yeah? Leave your comments in the comment section below. So that's it for this video, guys. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. And we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.